We're at Oak and 5th. Sedan's occupied, no response yet. I'll try the door.
Copy. Keep visual on the currents. Boat's ready for evac.
Roger that.
Keep moving, just hold on to me, sweetheart. We're almost there.
You're doing great, buddy. Look at the boat. See it? We're going there.
Right this way! Watch the curve! Big step!
Got it, almost, hang on.
Crazy night for a stroll, huh?
Pull! He's coming up!
Okay, sir, keep breathing. 1, 2, 3, up.
Got him aboard!
Letters clear, your turn, ma'am. Watch your
He's
step.
on! Blanket coming up! Radio!
Coming through!
Higher ground!